This genius business strategy makes Dan Co 4.2 million every single year. I'm about to expose this business model and be sure we'll uncover everything. You will find the entire business model sketched out in the first link in the description down below. Just enter your email and get access to every business model from the entire Business Exposed series. Let's get on with the video. What you can see on screen right here is the entirety of Dan Co's business model. Let's dive in. Alright, so first of all we have Dan Co with a classic social funnel. He's posting content on these different social media platforms. He has Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and makes short form content basically in written form on X and LinkedIn. His goal with them is to grab as much attention as possible from a cold audience and redirect them to his long form or mid form YouTube videos to build a deeper relationship and to just add more value to the short tweets and videos he's offering on the other platforms. So once he's hooked you with his YouTube videos, you have basically three different options to go forward. Either you get a podcast viewer turned into a long form content enjoyer of Dan Co. You purchase his book, which will be for sale soon, or you sign up to his newsletter. The genius strategy behind this cycle is that from his newsletter, he starts selling his products. If you took the route of either enjoying the podcast or the book first, he's redirecting you from these to his website, which is thedanco.com, and basically nothing else than a funnel hub. A funnel hub is the home of different funnels you can go through, which then in the end make you buy some of the products. Interestingly, with Dan, you have 2 free products and 2 paid products he's offering on his landing page. But we'll look at them in a minute. So from his funnel hub, you can purchase, or are most likely to purchase if you don't have that deep of a relationship with him yet, purchase one of the 2 free options or both of his free options, and then get automatically added to his newsletter list, where he's again enhancing the relationship with his audience. If that happened, he's basically converted you into a fan of his, and in his newsletter he's regularly plugging his paid options, which are the 2-hour writer course and a digital economics course, and the price points you see them below. Of course, it makes sense for a new audience member to first purchase the lower tier course and to provide much value up front, to then upsell them in the end to his flagship course, which is digital economics. And this has a price range of either $500 or $1,000 depending on the course benefits you want to get. But again, that's not quite it. Dan Co is currently building and enhancing his product offer and diversifies his offerings via his new SaaS software as a service startup called Cortex, which is a software that helps you organize and structure your thoughts, which fits perfectly into his brand identity, as well as Keyframe.design. And Keyframe.design is an agency he's owning as a co-founder, which is basically an animation studio for short form content. As you can see right here, Keyframe makes world-class animations that help you grow faster, and this is the exact animation style that Dan Co himself uses for his short-form style, so you might be familiar with it. And as you can see, they're pretty reasonably priced for a productized service. Okay, but that's not quite it. In the Cortex offering and earlier in his career, he offered one-on-one coaching calls, which he's continuing to do, but now at a much more exclusive and VIP area. So you have to first sign up and then be selected as one of a few. I assume that he's trying to build a mastermind and a deep connection of people with the same vision, and that concludes Dan Co's business model. And in essence, these are the 4 steps he's using to make this huge amount of money, which he does. So first of all, we got the attention stage, which we covered right here with short form content and long form content. Then he capitalizes by selling his audience, or at this stage, raving fans, his digital products. If they are now more interested in productizing themselves, they face the challenge of putting out high quality content. This challenge or problem is solved with this agency, which does exactly that for you. Alright. At the tip of the iceberg, we have this now newly published software called Cortex, which then helps you structure your mental thoughts and all of your business in one single software and concludes the entire cycle of the 4 leverage ways.